Video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to Google Slides in a simple and effective way. Using unique fonts can instantly make your presentations more visually appealing, professional, and aligned with your personal or brand style. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google Slides at slides.google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so that all your work is saved automatically in the cloud. On the homepage, you can either start a blank presentation or choose from a variety of templates to suit your needs. Templates can save you time and give your slides a consistent look. Once your presentation is open, focus on the font drop-down in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see the default fonts provided by Google Slides. To access more options, click More Fonts at the top of the drop-down menu. This will open a new window with a wide variety of fonts categorized into serif, sans serif, handwriting, and display styles. You can browse through these categories or use the search bar to find a specific font you have in mind. When you find a font you like, click on it to add it to your Google Slides font list. You can add multiple fonts if you want to experiment with different styles for headings, body text, or special emphasis. Once you've selected your fonts, click OK at the bottom. Your new fonts are now ready to use in your presentation. Adding custom fonts allows you to convey the tone, style, and mood of your presentation more effectively. Just make sure your font choices remain readable and match the overall theme of your slides, and there you have it. A simple way to add custom fonts to Google Slides, giving your presentations a professional and creative touch. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!